company, MediReach, is dedicated to bridging the gap between nurses and patients through the innovative technology and personalized care solutions.
By providing a platform that connects patients with registered nurses for in-home care services, MediReach aims to improve access to healthcare, enhance patient outcomes, and empower individuals to take control of their health journey.
So next is the mission, vision, and goals. So why we need to have a mission, vision, and goals in our apps? It is because vision is what you want to accomplish, and the mission is a general statement of how you will achieve your vision. So the vision of the MediReach is a innovation of a healthcare ecosystem where every individual has access to quality, personalized care developed by compassionate and skilled nurses, regardless of the geographical location or socioeconomic status. So next is our mission of the MediReach. It is to revolutionize the way healthcare is delivered by leveraging technology to connect patients with experienced nurses who can provide comprehensive and passionate care in the comfort and patient homes. So last is the goal of the MediReach, to become the leading provider of in-home nursing care services, recognized for its commitment to quality, innovation, and patient-centered care.
And now let's proceed to the objective of the mobile application. So what is objectives? So objectives is the product management or product development, which is represent the foundation for the strategy, design, launch, and improvement of products, and also it can be included in performance management and are used as targets for teams and individuals. So the number one objectives of this mobile application is to develop a user-friendly platform that connects patients with registered nurse for on-demand and scheduled in-home care services. So the number two objectives is to recruit and train a network of experienced and compassionate nurses who are dedicated to providing high-quality care to patients. And lastly is to establish partnerships with healthcare organizations, insurance providers, and community resources to expand access to our services and improve healthcare outcomes for our patients.
Legal form of ownership. MediReach operates as a limited liability company, providing liability protection for its founders while offering flexibility in management and taxation.
So, description and services. What is description and services? Services descriptions are like product descriptions wherein we are describing the product or service that we provide, including what we do, some basics about how we do it, and why people should care about the product. In-home nursing care, MediReach offers a range of in-home nursing service including medication management, wound care, health assessment, chronic disease management, and post-operative care. Next is telehealth consultation, wherein patient can access virtual consultation with registered nurses for advice, guidance, and follow-up care without leaving their homes.
Competitive advantages is the favorable position an organization seeks to more profitable than its rival. To gain and maintain a competitive advantage, an organization must demonstrate a greater comparative or differential value than its competitors and convey that information to its desired target market. Personalized care. MediReach platform matches patients with nurses based on their specific needs, preference, and medical conditions, ensuring that each patient receives a personalized and compassionate care. Quality and reliability. MediReach networks registered nurses undergoes rigorous screening, training, and credentialing to ensure that they meet the highest standards of competence and professionalism.
And for the pricing structures, MediReach offers flexible pricing options for its services, including pay-per-visit fees, subscription plans, and bundled packages. Pricing is based on factors such as type and duration of the service provided, the level of nursing expertise is required, and any additional resources or equipment needed for the patient's care. Additionally, MediReach works with the insurance providers and offers financial assistance program to make its service more accessible to the patients.
Target audience. Audience 1. Patients who need medical support, consultation, and advices. Like for example, patients who cannot afford to go to the hospital to have a medical checkup, or if they want to ask the doctor or the physicians for some advices about their physical health. Audience 2. Patient who can go to the hospital because of inconvenience. Inconvenience such as the transportation or their house location that is too far from the hospital, or even the responders in their barangays would have difficulty reaching them in case of an emergency. Audience 3. Patient needing online nurses to monitor them daily. Some wealthy families prefer to have a private nurse in their home. They may be optional for a live-in private nurse for the patient to monitor them, or if their private nurse is unavailable during emergencies, they can have access to other online nurses for assistance, or even they are not physically present together.
Potential risks and mitigation strategies. First potential risk is data breaching compromising the patient's safety. It can lead to identity theft and other harmful consequences. Second is inaccurate diagnosis leading to incorrect treatment. So it can potentially harm the patient or delaying appropriate care. Third, device malfunction causing harm. Medical devices, including those powered by AI, may fail or malfunction, posing risks to patient safety and well-being. Fourth is usability issues. Poor usability of AI system can lead to errors and inefficiencies. Fifth is malware infection. Malware infection compromise the security and integrity of the AI system.
So next is the mitigation strategies. First is the robust data encryption. Robust data encryption, it is so hard to produce a ciphertext valid for two different users. Next is the rigorous testing. It is a test system or a procedure that is rigorous, is very thorough and strict. So next is the validation of diagnostic algorithm. It is the process of verifying an algorithm meets its specification and performs as intended. Next is implementing fail-safe mechanism and medical devices to ensure patient safety. One that will continue functioning even if one or more of its parts are not functioning.
Next is continuous monitoring. So regularly checking system for security threats or irregularities to detect and respond promptly to any issues. Next is updating of software and hardware. Keeping all software and hardware components current with the latest security patches and upgrades to mitigate vulnerabilities. Another one is strong encryption protocols, using robust encryption methods to secure data during transmission over networks and while stored on devices or services. And lastly, adhering to strict privacy regulation, complying with laws like GDPR or CCPA to protect individuals' privacy rights, including obtaining consent for data collection and processing and ensuring secure handling of personal data.
So lastly, the revenue projection. This chart shows the earning of the MediReach or the mobile application we made of. So this shows the 5 years subscription of the app. So this contains the daily user of the app, the user who stopped their subscription, and also the new user of the mobile application. So this shows that our apps is earning daily and monthly.